So hello everyone, I am Purushottam and I make videos related to Poland and whoever is coming here for study, work. So it will be helpful for you if you can subscribe my channel and I will provide you information related to Poland. So today in this video we are going to talk about how to open a bank account in Poland. So if you are a student or if you are a worker here, when you land in Poland, you need few documents and then you will be able to open a bank account very easily. So to make that happen, you need actually, let's say if you're a student, let's talk about student first. You need a acceptance letter, final acceptance letter after paying the fees that you get the original one. You need the final acceptance letter and you need your, of course, ID, right? Passport. So these two things, if you have, you can just walk in any of the banks. I will give the names of the banks just for an idea. You can choose any one of them, and I will also give one bank that can be a problematic if you go there, and there is certain criteria sometimes for people to open the bank account. All right, so you need these two documents: final acceptance letter and passport. All right, so if you have these two things, you will be able to open a bank account. And when it comes to the workers, they need, let's say, I think because I didn't did as a worker, I did as a student. So if you're a worker, you will need a contract of your workplace and let's say of course same ID proof like passport, or if you have, right, as your ID. That's all you need, and then you can proceed to any of the banks. Let's name few bank, like maybe you can go to, let's say, bank PKO, mBank, Santander, or let's say Alior Bank or Millennium Bank. But let's say I can also tell you this, that once I went to Millennium Bank with one student and they required, a check for him, like if they can open it or no. So they asked, we will ask our managers and we will let you know by tomorrow. So you can visit us tomorrow again. So this was little stupid situation, but I will suggest the names that I took of other banks, or you can just Google few banks except the Millennium Bank. You can go to any of the banks and they will open your bank account just in a day, and it is very simple, straightforward process. There is also a way you can do it, that you can also try to fill form on internet and then you can go and visit, and but you still have to submit your documents to open the bank account. But I can say this, that you still have to update your Pesel number once opening your bank account, because when you will be new here, you will have to update your Pesel account number. And to do that, you have to get the Pesel number. And where do you get the Pesel number? You get it from the city hall. It's everywhere in every big city in Poland. So I also have a video about that. I can put the link on the I button. You can go and visit and see this video, how to get a Pesel number, and you will get this. And you can also update that later. You don't need this Pesel number when you are opening the bank account, but you have to attach the Pesel number to the bank account for your convenience. All right, so this was it, all the information how to open a bank account. I can put some bank names in the description, you can check them out. But when you are new here, don't take any stress. You can open a bank account just in a day, in 30 minutes, and you don't have to search like where are the banks. You can also do that, but you can also go to any mall. They call it here Handlove, Galeria. This is how they call it. So you have to go to the Galeria bank, or you can search the bank also. You can visit directly the bank, let's say office, if you can find anything nearby, or else you can go just to Handlove, or there they have small queue, not queue, like small area, open area, where they have a table and chair and the bank name is written on like boards, and there is either 1 or 2 person sitting. They can open your bank account very easily. They will ask you these documents that I just mentioned previously initially in the video. So you have to have those documents and it will be very easy to do that. So this was it for this video, guys. Consider subscribing. If you like my content, you can support me, and to support me, I have a link in the description for, let's say, buy me coffee. So you can go and support there. Maybe I will buy a drone, maybe I will buy mic, do something for the YouTube only, not for myself. And you will get the better quality, let's say, video and audio quality. So thank you. See you in the next one. Peace.